Hi buddies, welcome to Theo's fascinating programs. In this video, let's see how to create a star pattern with the help of a string replication with the help of for loop. So this is the pattern. So just to display the stars as a output. So to display stars as a output, so let me use L is equal to asterisk as a string value. So we can use any value as a pattern. So and I'm going to use a for loop. So for I in a range, so I have to start with 1 and it has to end by 6. So 6 in the sense it is n minus 1, so 6 minus 1 it is 5. So 5 times the loop will get executed. So when it executed, print L into I. So the way the L value is asterisk into I is 1. So it is string replication, so I is 1, so L will be repeated 1 times. So when it works for a second time, the I value will become 2. So again, L is a asterisk, so L into 2 as the same L will be displayed twice, thrice, 4 times and 5 times. So this is how the stars will be displayed as a pattern. So let's see and save the program and let's check how it works. So save a program and execute a program. This is the output of the star pattern.